If you want to block all calls on your Xiaomi 17, what you need to do is, first of all, we need to go to the security app, which you can find, for example, in the app drawer. Now, afterwards, you want to find common features section, and you're looking for the block list option. You might be able to find it in here, but if not, if you cannot find it in this menu, then you want to scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open this toolbox. Once you open the toolbox, you can find block list in here. Next, we're gonna tap on this setting in the upper right corner, and then you can tap on Call Block List, and in here we have this option, Block All Calls. If you turn it on, you will see this information that calls from any number that is not on your exceptions will be blocked. So we need to confirm that we want to turn it on. Now, if you want to add exceptions so that some numbers may be able to reach you, we can go back to the block list settings in here, and we can find exceptions in this place. And keep in mind that if you have two SIMs active, then you can switch between both SIMs, settings for both SIMs. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.